dripping sauce, dripping sauce, dripping sauce. Saturday, Saturday, dripping, drip.
Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ketchup mustard sauce. The first thing that you're going to need is ketchup. I have no salt added because I'm trying to be healthier. Ketchup. And you're going to need mustard. I'm trying to be a little bit more fancy this year, so I have a French mustard called Dijon sauce. Alright, first thing you're going to do is add the ketchup to a bowl. And then you're going to get your Dijon sauce right here, Dijon mustard, and pour some into the bowl, just like that. And I'm going to zoom in before I mix it so you can see how it looks. And then you're just going to stir it with a spoon until you get the right color consistency. See that? Maybe I need a little bit more ketchup sauce. Pour a little bit more ketchup. And then mix it until you get an even consistency. Let me zoom out. That's how you make ketchup.
Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.